How to create a contact list in SendGrid. So first log into your account, and once you're here, just navigate to the marketing section here on the left navigation menu, then click on it. Then the drop down menu will pop up right there. Just simply need to click on contacts right there. Then wait for it to load and you will be redirected on this page. And here on the top right, you will see the create button. So just simply click on that and you will see the new list option. So click on that also. Then this will pop up where you will need to name your list. So for me, I'm just going to name it test. Then click on save list. Now once you have added the list, what you will need to do now is just simply click on add contacts. So you could either add a contact via uploading a CSV or just simply manually adding it. But let's say you want to upload a CSV, so just simply click on upload CSV, then you'll be redirected right here and just simply drag and drop your CSV file right there. So make sure that you have the right columns for the email address and the first and last name and all the relevant stuff, since you will need to map the fields after this section. The most important thing right here is this option. So add contacts and include an existing list. So just simply click on that, then click on this drop down menu where you will need to select the list that you want to add the contacts to. So this is the contact or the list that we have created earlier, which is named test. So just simply click on it. Then after that, you simply need to go through the process. So click on next, then finish all of the prompts. But for the manual adding, so let's go to manual add right here. It's the same thing. You just simply need to select this option right here. Then select the drop down menu, then select your existing list, then fill out all of the options. Then just simply click on add contacts to add your contact to that list. And that is how you basically create a contact list in SendGrid.